Before a meal is served, there is a journey, and today it begins here. The sound of maize grating echoes through the village, turning grain into life. Watch as I take this humble maize and transform it into a warm plate of posho or ugali served with scrubbed eggs from my aunt. I had to put maize in sunshine before we start the journey. Guys, we are on our way going to mill our maize. I want to show you, and this is our maize. It's not too much, but it is just enough. Yeah, this is how we are. Yeah. Follow us, please subscribe, like. Afi, tell everyone. Afi. On our way to grate the maize, we found these amazing cows. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Walking through cows. Come, come. See this one. And this one. Here we reached our posho mill where we are going to grate our maize. So guys, look at these amazing kids. I don't know what they were trying to do. I think she was constructing something. So just watch, enjoy my videos. So guys, we are trying to measure the amount of maize we are going to mill. Chikazi kigeze nekebe nekingamba mbu opima bwoti eringa jjaga nezo bipima nga mujja mu kimu n'ekitundu nebuuza yi. So this is our maize we are trying to measure. So guys, we have started our process of milling. This is how it is done. This is our posho mill. Now we start off. bulijjo no problem. Ate ono omwana mama wamugwako. So our maize is already clean. We are going for the next step. So our maize, as you can see, it is already clean. We will go for another process.
Clean, Mama. Is it clean, Mama?
I was standing it. So guys, this is our unga after. This is our kaunga. This is our maize we gridded. The next step, we are going to start making posho or ugali. So guys, this is our wonga we made from maize flour we gridded from our posho meal. Look how soft it is, and it is very firm, tasty. Let's start making our scrubbed eggs. Press your pan on fire, add in the right amount of cooking oil. After cooking oil it up, add in onions. Saute the onions until they are soft. Stir very well. Our onions are ready, so add in tomatoes. Stir very well to combine. Cover the pot to simmer. Sprinkle a pinch of salt. Stir very well to combine. Add in our green pepper for that burst. Cover the pot to simmer. After our tomato sauce getting ready, pour in our whisked eggs. Don't stir and cover the pot. Open the pan and start stirring very well. From the grading store to the fire, every step tells a story. And now the chapter, soft posho, golden eggs, and a taste of home. If this journey moved you, share it because food is more than a meal, it's a memory.